Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the live moves of natural gas futures in a 15-minute time frame before the announcement of inventory. So here you can see that today we are going to have natural gas storage levels just after 1 hour 14 minutes from now, and our expectations levels are for an injection of 11 billion cubic feet, whereas it was 38 billion cubic feet for the last time. But today I find that we are going to see much over injection. It may be a withdrawal this time, which could lead to higher volatile moves in natural gas futures. So let us see the impact of the expectations from today's inventory in a live chart analysis. So here you can see a live chart in a 15-minute time frame. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures have found a strong base here at the levels of $2.865, what it tested on April 27, 2021, and since then we have seen a bullish consolidation to continue in natural gas futures, where the natural gas futures tested a high at the levels of $2.945, and since then we have seen a bullish consolidation here above the levels of $2.933. So here I find that this level of $2.933 seems to be a good supporting level for natural gas bulls, where I find that today the natural gas futures have once again tested these levels here on April 28th, and now before the announcement of upcoming inventory, natural gas futures have tested a low at $2.929, from where a sharp upward move was seen in a 15-minute time frame. So friends, here I have defined some my levels where I would prefer to buy and sell. So this will be my first buying level where I would prefer to go long, and this is at the levels of $2.923. Before the announcement of upcoming inventory, I would prefer to go long from here, and after the inventory, natural gas futures would go through a very volatile session, because today I find that the natural gas futures could test new highs or fresh lows. So friends, here my second level to go long from the levels of $2.865, and my third level after the announcement of inventory for going long will be at the levels of $2.776. So friends, these are the points where I would prefer to go long after the announcement of inventory, and let me show you here how the natural gas futures could behave, because here I have done my angle analysis where I prefer this methodology. So here you can see that how I have detected these levels. Here you can see that how I have defined these moves with the help of my angle analysis, where I have drawn some angles where the natural gas futures could test new highs or fresh lows today after the announcement of inventory. So here I find that the immediate resistance for natural gas futures will be at the levels of $2.987, what is already tested on April 28th, and the second resistance will be at the levels of $3, which is also a psychological resistance for natural gas bulls, and third resistance will be at the levels of $3.070. So here I find that an extremely bullish move after the announcement of inventory could test these highs. So friends, here I find that if the inventory beat the expectations level on the bullish side, I find that sentiments could show a breakthrough for natural gas bulls, where the natural gas bulls could break the immediate resistance at $3. So friends, here after the announcement of weekly inventory, my first sell will be at the levels of $3.040, and second levels will be at the levels of $3.088, and my third target for going short will be at the levels of $3.161. So friends, here I find that the natural gas futures could remain very volatile after the announcement of inventory. So you must aware of these levels, because we are going to see an extremely volatile session today, and this volatility may continue up to this weekly closing. And here I find that the final closing levels of natural gas futures will finally decide the further direction moves for the upcoming week. Therefore, I find that the natural gas futures could take a very decisive action today. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures could breach the immediate resistance at $2.987 before the announcement of upcoming inventory, we will see the natural gas futures could test the psychological resistance after the announcement of inventory, where some selling can be seen from the levels of $3.041, from where the natural gas futures could take a U-turn back up to these levels, from where I would prefer to go long from the levels of $2.865. If the natural gas futures test these lows after the announcement of inventory, I would prefer to take a long position from here. So friends, be ready to see an action in natural gas futures. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.